Okay, this video we got a few items for Amazon, so let's get the camera and turn it around and get into it, right? Well, I'm just going to hold the stuff up and show you. First up, we have StudBuddy. Now this is a magnet. You just run along the wall, and here's how you do it right there to find the stud. So that's pretty cool. And I got some more rollers for the Best Art welding machine. This one is 030 and 035. This one is, let's see, this one is also 030 and let's see, 23. He's got two of them. They should have came with these rollers, if you ask me, to do the smaller stuff, but it didn't. Matter of fact, I think it only came with rollers to do flux core. Anyway, next up, got some sandpaper for my belt sander, my air belt sander. Got a project I got to do inside the house, so I figured I'd get me some more of these. The ones that came with the belt sander, I don't know if they was just too old, or let me get this over here a little bit more. I don't know if they was just too old or what, but as soon as I started trying to use them, they came apart. So I was going to try to re-glue them, but apparently I threw them away because I can't find them. Anyway, so let's see what's next. Next up, we have a 12-inch combination square, kind of like the one I showed in my other video. Matter of fact, the video of that saw right there. So we'll get this opened up and show you. And FastCap, the lefty-righty tape measure. It's 25 foot. I'm still going to get the 16 foot for just using it around here in the shop. But I like 25 foot too, so I might not. I just might keep just this one, right? So let me get these packages opened and show you closer up. These are cool. Okay, first up, I'm going to show you the WEN. Let me tighten it up so it don't slide. That's pretty awesome. And I don't know if this is painted on or how the markings are on there. Hopefully they don't wear off over time. We'll see. It's got inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Like I said, I had a smaller one, but I needed a little bit bigger one for doing layout work. So I got a bigger one. I had plenty of these things. What happened to them? Who knows? The sandpaper I'm not going to open because we've all, you know what a belt of sandpaper looks like, right? Anyway, here's the StudBuddy. All it is a magnet. You know those other ones that you put along the wall and it beeps, and those are not really all that accurate. I think I have a Black & Decker one and another one, a different brand. I can't remember the name of it, Zircon or something like that. But they have let me down. They're not really all that accurate. This goes along the wall and it finds the screw in the sheetrock, and that'll tell you where the stud's at. It's pretty handy. You just slide it along, and as soon as it finds the stud, it'll stay there. And that'll tell you where the stud's at. So that is pretty cool. Hey, check that out. And it says it's made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that on there. Let's see the package. Let's see if it says it on there anywhere. No, it don't say. That's kind of strange though, because it clearly says made in the USA with the US patent number on there. don't know if it'll focus and y'all can see that or not. But on the package it says, right here by my finger, crafted in China. What does that mean? Who knows? Anyway, that's going to come in handy when I need to hang up stuff, right? Okay, here I am in my hallway. As you can see, you just run this along until you hit a stud, and there it is. See? Which right here you can see there looks like a little bit of a crack in the wall, so I should tell you that's where the seam is at in the sheetrock, but there's your stud. That's how you find the studs. Right. But this here, lefty righty, this is a pretty cool tape measure. I like this. It has your stop right here, right here, just like any typical tape measure, but it also has one on the bottom. That's pretty awesome. And they say you can write on this surface here. I don't think I ever would do that, but they say that's what that's for. You can. I don't know if I like this sticking out so far. I usually bend them to where the clip is a little loose. I don't bend them where they're just falling off, but where they're just a little loose. That way you don't have to do that and it just slides onto your pocket. I don't know. I think that might get in the way, but we'll see. But what I like about it is, no matter if you pull it out, this over here is my left, this is my right. If you pull it out from the left or the right, you can still see it. See, I'll turn it around and put it that way. You can still see it. It's split down the middle and it's up, one side's upside down. See? That way, if you happen to have to pull the tape measure out from the other end, from the other way, you can still see it without reading it upside down. And when you think you're putting something at 11 and a half, you're putting it at 12 and a half. You know, it happens. That's pretty handy to have right there. I like that. Now, I don't know why I don't know what the little red markings are. Probably tells you on the tape measure on the package, right? But as you can see, it also gives you the little measurements on there. I don't know why anybody would need that. That's for people that don't really know how to read a tape measure, I guess. But they're there, so take it if you like it or not. It's all right, I guess. It's pretty cool. I like it. Can't remember who was showing this on their channel. Somebody was. I don't know if it was Matt or who it was. Somebody showed it on their channel anyway. And I was like, hey, that's pretty neat. I'm going to get one. So here it is. I did. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.